represent KitchenAid on QVC, and you can follow me and my recipes at epicuriecloud.com. And today I'm going to give you an overview of the KitchenAid Fresh Prep Stand Mixer Attachment. This is like a box grater that plugs into your KitchenAid stand mixer. It's super handy and easy to use. So it's going to come in a handy storage case here. And different models will come with different barrel blades, and they're really sturdy stainless steel barrel blades that are dishwasher safe. You're going to get a slicing blade and some shredding blades. So this one comes with a coarse, a medium, and a fine shredding barrel blade. And then this is what the housing looks like. If you've never used a KitchenAid stand mixer attachment before, you just take off the hub cover here, and then I'm going to turn it on so you can see inside there's a little square that spins around, and that's where you plug in your different attachments. So here there's a little square peg that's going to fit into that hole. Sometimes you need to wiggle it a little to get them to engage, and then tighten the thumb screw on the side until it's all nice and secure. So the barrel blades go into here. So why don't I show you shredding first. So to insert the barrel blade, you want to put that peg side in and just twist until it clicks in. To release it, there's a little lever on the side. I always put my hand in front because it's kind of spring-loaded there and pops out. So you just want to click that into place. And then up top here, there is a wide feed tube and then a double pusher. So with the pusher, like a groove on the back of the pusher and a kind of a ridge on the back of the feed tube. So you want to get in the groove, put that groove over that ridge, so that's the way that it fits in. It's so that it goes in the right way. Do you see how this is contoured? That's to fit along the contour of the barrel blade. And also, it's rounded there at the top. So if you go to lay it down on the counter, you have to turn it this way to lay it down on the counter. So this part here is dishwasher safe, and all your barrel blades here are dishwasher safe. The housing you want to wash by hand. Okay, so you just put that in, and you're always going to start on speed 4 on your stand mixer. So I'm using the 5-quart Artisan tilt head stand mixer. All the attachments that plug into the hub here work on any KitchenAid stand mixer, no matter what age. The only ones that are a little bit more specific are ones that screw into the bowl plate here. But any of the hub attachments, you can use any KitchenAid stand mixer. So I have my blade going in there, and I'll show you how to shred a carrot. So the carrot is more narrow, so I'm going to use that skinny feed tube in the center there, and all you do is just apply a little gentle pressure, and the food will come out. So if it's a drier type food, like these carrots, they just tumble right out into the bowl. Sometimes you'll get a really wet potato or a cucumber, and they kind of stay inside, and you need to pop the barrel blade out to kind of empty it. So there's our shredded carrot. I'll show you a really hard sweet potato here. So carrots are a little bit softer. This works beautifully with cheeses too, especially that brick of mozzarella cheese that's a little firmer, not fresh mozzarella cheese, but that kind of rectangular brick shape works like a dream. And that's a really hard item to shred. So here goes some sweet potato shredding, so you know how firm that is. And I made some egg frittatas yesterday, and I used this to shred my sweet potato, to shred my cheese. It's really handy. It's one of those attachments that I think everyone needs to have, and it's handy to actually leave on your stand mixer because I think you'll use it so frequently. So let's turn it off, and we're going to take out this barrel blade, and I'm going to show you the slicing. So let me show you what happens when you take out. So you're going to end up here. Let me dump it inside there, and this can go in the dishwasher. you're always going to end up with some little thin slivers. That's because there has to be some clearance between the sharp metal blade and the side of the unit. So you're always going to end up with this little snack. You can just cut that up by hand or just have a nibble on that. I might feed that to my guinea pig. So here we're going to put in the slicing barrel blade and just till it clicks again, put it on speed 4. And here I have some little red potatoes. So anything that you can fit in this large feed tube, or else you just want to trim it to fit. So pop it in, a little pressure. Remember, we're always using speed 4. And if it's a drier type item, it's just gonna tumble right out into the bowl. Sometimes with wet type items, you're gonna have to give them a little bit of help. But it really does give some nice slices there. You could even pop these in your air fryer and make some potato chips. So let's see how some of those stuck. So all you want to do is just kind of dump that out. So the sharp part of the blade is on the outside. All right, pop it back in, and I'll show you a zucchini. It's really fun to have your green salad in the bowl here and then be able to slice and shred all your vegetables and cheeses right into your salad bowl. Okay, so that is so much fun. So cleaning, I mentioned already that the barrel blades are dishwasher safe, or you could just wash them by hand. The pusher up here is also dishwasher safe, both parts of that. The only part that you want to hand wash is the housing here. And that's pretty much common with most KitchenAid stand mixer attachments. If your sweet potato or your carrot makes a little stain inside of that, don't worry, it will definitely come off. Mine has been stained many times and it just cleans up. You could use a little white vinegar, a little lemon juice, but I usually notice after I use my non-scratch little soap pad on there, it cleans up beautifully. So there you go, and it makes such quick work of all kinds of cheeses and vegetables, all your shredding and slicing. So it's basically like plugging a box grater into your stand mixer. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you need some recipe ideas that you would use your shredding and slicing for. I have lots of recipes on my website. All right, everyone, take care.